Hey guys, welcome to ASP.NET MVC5 with Entity Framework Lesson 3. In this lesson, we will be discussing about model, view and controller. Alright, so this is a model view controller diagram. User can request to the controller, then controller manipulate the data based on the user requirement in the model. Then controller can display that model into the view. So user can see the output in their view. Alright. So this is one of the diagram. You can see a lot of diagrams in the internet. So I think this is one of the best way to describe model view controller. Now let's go to the Visual Studio and we can look at which is the controller, which is the view and which is the model. Okay, so let's go. So for this project I want to take a new project. So this is for the model view controller. Alright, and I'm going to use the MVC. Then okay. Alright, so our project is ready. Now let's create a controller first. So empty controller, let's say this is our product controller, and we need a model for the product. So go to the model, right click, add class. Models are nothing else other than class. So it is our product. Okay, so let's say our product has an ID, product ID. You can see prop. So this is basically code snippet. So after writing prop, then you have to press tab twice, one two, twice. Okay, let's say string as a name, product name, then enter. Again prop, let's say decimal price. Okay, so this is our just a simple product model. Then go to the um, product controller, and okay, we can use this action. So what we want to do is we want to create a model. Basically this information or this model will come from the repository, but at this point we are not using repository. So what we can do is we can create the product here. So product, we need product, but we don't have that namespace. So what we can do it, we can right click, resolve. You can see using the model. So or you can see there is a blue color, then you can click this, then click this, so it will add this namespace. So you can use that class. So product, new product. So we want to create a new product. Let's say product ID equal 1, then what, name equal shirt. As it is a string, you have to write it in the double quotation, price the decimal, which is let's say 65, right? So our product is created. Then what we need to do is we need to pass this model to the view product. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to create the view. So right click in the action, add view, give the name, view name as it is, which is index. But at this point we have the model, so which is, and we want to display that model in details. So we can select details template, then we have to select that model. Let's see, this is our product model. Okay, but we do not have any data context, so we do not need to use that context. What we need to do, we need to select the master page or layout page. All right, add. Okay, so our detail page is created. So here we will be displaying what you can see, name, price. So since our product ID is a ID, that's why we are not going to display that. And this is a convention. If the you can even write as ID or model name with ID. That means the model, this ID will be the primary key for this model or primary identity. Alright, now what we need to do is we can display. So run the project. Okay, so you see a product controller followed by index view, so it will be displaying your product information. This is, in this case, we are displaying product detail. Here you go. As you can see, we have shirt and 65 is the price. Okay, but we do not have any edit view, so we cannot go there. We can go back to the product controller. So in this case, basically I used a template which is details template, which is nothing else but if you look at in the view, you can see we are adding the model and what, and we are displaying that model here. So this is our product model name and this is our model data, similar this one. So in this case I can show you one thing, or I will be discussing in details in our another lesson, which is data annotations, which is you can see we can use display. So what we need to do is we need to write in third bracket display, then we have to add a namespace which is this one, system dot component dot data annotations display. So what we have to display, name, so display name equal, let's say, product name. Okay, similarly we can even add display here, so display name equal product price. Alright, build the application and run the application. So we are going to display the product index. Right, as you can see, product name, product price. So this is a part of data annotations. I will be covering all the data annotations in the data annotation lesson. So for now, it is a surprise for you that, as you can see, if you write the column name here, it will be displaying in that column. Okay, so what you learned in this lesson, you have learned the controller, how can we pass a model to the controller, and how can we display that model into view, right? So you have to practice it, that we are getting that controller, I mean that model, you can see as a product, then we are displaying that product, as you can see here, using lambda expression. Okay, here this model means, as you can see in the underline, the model dot product dot model. This model means we are getting data in the model which is passing from the controller, this product. Okay, so from that model we want to display what, display the name. Although we have the product ID, if you want to display the product ID, you can even display that product ID also. So similarly, this one, price, here you can see this is the display name for, that means this is label, and this is the display for, and this is the for data. So I think you can understand. So if you have any doubt, you can write in the comment. In this example, I pass only one model, but you can pass a list of model. Okay, so you can even learn it from here, or we can, we can discuss in later on. Okay, let's go. We can run it. We can we can pass a list of models. So what you have to do is you have to pass a list of model, list of product. So list of product means list of product, oops, then products. So what is this? New list of product, oops. So in the new list of product, what we have to do is we have to create new product. Okay, so how can we create new product? So this is one product, even you can add multiple of product. So this is our another product, you can add, let's say we have how many product, 3 product. Okay, so here I am adding all the products, I mean product 1, product 2, product 3 here, and what, um actually we can create this in another action. So let's go to the in another action. So let's say public action result list, that means list of product. Okay, so have a list of product, then what we need to do is we need to return that product in the view. So what we have to do is we have to return this product list. Okay, now we have to create that list view. So right click, add view, and in that view we have to select the template which is list template. Okay, and we have the model, so which is our product model. Then add. So simple. What you have to do is you have to understand that you can see this is enumerable, that means it's a list of products. In previous case it was only product, you see only one product. In this case it is enumerable of list, that means it's a list of product. Okay, so similarly we can run the application. So what we can do is we can click Google Chrome or any browser you can use. Now let's see. Alright, as you can see, chart, because all of the prices are same, that's why it is you know the same. So this is a default template, you can edit it, you can modify it by yourself, whatever you want. So we can do one thing, that we can change the price or chart. Let's say what, this is t-shirt price 55.99. Then this is what, um what can I say? Let's say this is shirt, blue shirt. Okay, and the price is 44.99. Okay, now run the application again and let's see. Oops, there's an error. What is the error? Oh, I'm using decimal, so what you have to do is you have to add m. Is it okay? Yes. So if you are using any decimal, you have to add m. Now run the application again, and this will be product list. Close the tabs. Alright, so shirt, t-shirt, blue shirt, and price is also as it is. Okay. Alright, so thank you very much. See you soon in the next tutorial. Till then, bye.